Hi, I am your Srinivas sir. So I am teaching 5th standard maths. Due to Corona, you know very well, we are teaching online classes. So in this class, we will go with the revision exercise. That means what you have learned in the 4th standard. I hope you learned up to the 6 digit numbers in the last 4th standard. Up to 6 digit numbers. You know very well, math means numbers only. Here we are dealing with the numbers. Here the last, in the last 4th standard, you learned up to 6 digit numbers. You learned up to 6 digit numbers. Now I tell me what is the smallest 6 digit number. The smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. The smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh. And the greatest 6 digit number is 9 lakh 99,999. This is the smallest and this is the biggest 6 digit number. I hope you understand. You know very well how to read. Why we are putting comma also you know, because to facilitate the reading the number. That means we are dividing up to here hundreds, thousands, next lakh. Hundreds, thousands, lakh. You know very well the face value and the place value. Face value means the number which has its own value, that is 9. 9 means 9, the face value is 9 only. Place value depends in which place it belongs to which place it belongs to. Now, what is the place value of this 9? Unit. The place value of this one is unit, that is 9. When you come to this 9, 10th place, so the place value is 90. Here 900, that is 100 place. This is thousands place, so 9,000. This is 10,000 place, so 90,000. This is lakh place, so it is 9 lakh. I hope you understand the place value. What is the face value? This is 9 only. Here also 9 only, 9 only. But when you come to the place value, that place value changes 9, 90, 900, 9,000, 90,000, 9 lakh. I hope you understand. Next, here they have given the period lakhs, thousand, ones, place, number and place value in the textbook. Just you go through it. Let us consider the number 5,38,947. 5,38,947. Here we have to write the place value chart. What you call this as place value chart. So here this comes period, okay, place and number and place value. So here period comes lakhs. Next thousands. Next hundreds are ones. In this ones, it divides into 100, tens, ones. 100, tens, ones. Here in 1,000, 10,000 and 1,000. In lakhs, it is L only. So, according to this, how will you write the number? The number is 538,947. That means the place value. Here this is 7, this is 40, okay, this is 900, this is 8,000, this is 30,000, this is 5 lakhs. So once again I will explain. When you come to the period place value table or place value chart or place value table, here we are writing this number 5,38,947 in the place value chart. Here ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh. Okay, here the number we have written in the unit place it is 7, so the place value is 7. When you written in the 4 in the tens place, so the place value is 40. When you written 9 in the 100 place, so the place value is 100, 900, 1000, 8,000. So 3, 30,000, 5 lakh, it is in lakh place, so it is 5 lakh. 3 is in 10,000 place, 30,000, 8 in 1,000 place, so it is 8,000. I hope you understand this place value chart. When we go through the problems, you understand very well. Okay. Now here the revision exercise is given in your textbook. So I will do the sums. Just you follow me. Okay. And copy them in the book. Okay. Here they are given the revision exercise for the purpose to recall, for the purpose of recalling the knowledge or recalling the subject what you learnt in the 4th standard. So first revision exercise is there. So first, what is the first problem? Insert commas properly and write the number names according to Indian system. Indian system of numeration. Indian system of numeration. Here they are given 4 problems. I will do 2 problems for you on the board. Another 2 you practice in the home. Okay. See first problem. 490981. 490981. So what you have to do? Insert commas properly. Insert commas properly and write the number name according to Indian system of numerization. So how you will insert the commas? 490981. You have to start counting from the right side. Comma should be inserted from the right side. So first right side, unit 10, 100. Here you have to put 1 comma. I hope you understand. 1, 2, 3. That is first unit place, tens place, 100. You put 1 comma. Next 1,000, 10,000. You put another 1 comma. So here, how you read this number? 4,90,981. So you have to write in the number name. So the number name is 4 lakhs 90,000 981. So this is the number name 4,90,981. So this is the number. How you have to put the insert the commas? First from the right side you have to start the numbers, counting the digits 1, 2, 3. For third place you have to put comma, that is unit 10, 100. After the 1000, 1000, 10,000, next to the lakh. Okay, 4,90,981. Next problem. I will do C1 561,082. So once again I will write the number 561,082. So unit 10, 100, 1 comma, 1000, 10,000, another 1 comma. So what is the number? Now you read this number. 5,61,082. 5,61,082 here in the place of 100 0, so we say 0, there is no hundreds. So how you will write? 5,61,000 82 and 82. So this is how we will read 5,61,082. So this is the first problem. So insert commas properly and write the number names according to Indian system numeration, that is 4,90,981. Second one is 5,61,082. Okay, next we will go for next. Expand the following numbers. Expand the following numbers. I hope you understand this very well. Now the second, expand the following numbers. What is the second main? Expand the following numbers. Expand the following numbers. So here they are given first one 5,31,827. 5,31,827. How will you explain this one? That means we have to write using the plus. Using the plus. So first this is in lakh place. So 5 lakhs plus 30,000 plus 1,000 plus 800 plus 20 plus 7. This is how you expand the number. 5,31,827. 5,30,000, 1,820 and 7. So this is how you expand the number. Another one. 9,70,631. Read this number. 9,70,631. You have to repeat along with me, then only you will understand very well. Okay, what I am repeating this number, just you along with me, you just repeat. Okay, 9,70,631. So it should be written in expanded form. First 9 lakhs plus 70,000 plus, there is no 1,000 here, only 10,000 is there. There is no 10,000, so leave it. Next 600 plus 30 plus 1. 9,70,631. So this is how you have to write the numbers in the expanded form. Okay. Another 2 problems are there. Just you copy and practice in the home. Now we'll go for third main, a third problem. Rewrite in ascending order. What is the third main? Rewrite in ascending order. What is the meaning of ascending? You know very well, ascending means from smaller to bigger, smaller to bigger, smaller number to bigger number. We have to write in the order. They given some shuffled numbers, so you have to write in the smaller one to bigger one. That is called as ascending. Ascending means going up from smaller number to bigger number. Okay, here the first problem they have given 6,58,987, 7,68,893, 5,09,890, 9,67,284. Here they are given four numbers, 2, 3, 4. Here they are given all the numbers in lakhs. So we have to compare the number and write the smaller number first, bigger number second, third number, fourth number in the ascending order or in the increasing order. So when you compare, when you see this number, here the lakh place itself we will compare easily, because one is 5, another one is 7, another one is 6, another one is 9. So which is the first number? So this is the first number, 5,09,890. This is the smallest among all these numbers. This is the smallest among all these numbers. So you write that number 5,09,890. This is the answer I am writing. Okay, ascending order, 5,09,890. Second number, 6 lakhs. 6 lakhs. So 6,58,987. Next, third number, 7 lakhs here. So just you write it, 7,68,893. Remaining last, 9,67,284. This is very easy problem. Okay. First number is 5,09,890. Second problem 6,58,987. Third 7,68,893. Fourth problem 9,067,284. Okay, I hope you understand. This is the increasing order. So another one problem is there. You do yourself in the home. Okay. Next problem, next main is rewrite in descending order. This is all recalling for yourself, that's all. Okay, just recalling the 4th standard syllabus. Now that is in the number system chapter. Here, knowing our numbers chapter, we are just recalling what you are learnt in the 4th standard. Okay, next another main is there. Rewrite in descending order. Rewrite in descending order. What is the meaning of descending? What is the meaning of descending? Descending means from bigger number to smaller number. We are writing the numbers in the order from bigger to smaller. That is called as descending order. Fourth problem, rewrite in descending order. Rewrite in descending order. So the problem is 4,93,005, 3,90,045, 3,40,095, 40 lakhs 593. So here they are given the 4 numbers. First one 4,93,005, 3,90,045, 3,40,095, 40 lakhs 593. So here descending order. Descending means from smaller to bigger. Sorry, from bigger to smaller. Descending means from bigger to smaller. So which is the bigger one here? 40 lakhs. The number is 40 lakhs. So 40 lakhs 593. Second number 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs 93,005. The third number here both are 3 lakhs 3 lakhs. So you compare here thousands. This is 90,000. This is 40,000. So 90,000 means 3 lakhs 90,045. Next, last 3 lakhs 40,095. So this is the number 440 lakhs 593, 4 lakhs 93,005, 3 lakhs 90,045, 3 lakhs 40,095. So this is the descending order. That means from higher number to smaller number. Higher number to smaller number. Another one problem is there. Just you write in the home or practice in the home. Okay. Next, fifth problem. The fifth problem is write the number that is 10,000 more than. Write the number that is 10,000 more than. So they are given the first number 5,97,624. Second one 8,09,564 and C1 1,72,104. So what you have to write? Write the number that is 10,000 more than. What you have to do here means you have to add 10,000 to this number. 10,000 to this number. So when you come to here 5,97,624, add 10,000 here. So what did you get? 426,706. What is the number you got? 6,07,624. 6,07,624. Here you add 10,000. Directly you add 8,19,564. If you have doubt, just to add once again here 8,09,564. 10,000 when you add, you get 465,918. 8,19,564. This is the answer for this problem. When you come to here 1,82,000, because here is 7 in 10,000 place it is 7, so when you add it becomes 8, so 1,82,104. Correct? 1,82,104. That means write the number that is 10,000 more than 5,97,624, that is 6,07,624. 8,09,564, that is 8,19,564. Another one 1,72,104, that is 1,82,104. Write the number that is less than 1,000. Write the number that is 1,000 less than. Here, there you added 10,000. Here what you have to do? Less than means Subtract 1000 from the number. Subtract 1000 from the given number. So first one, 7 lakhs 512. Second problem, 8 lakhs 11,603. Third one, third problem, 3 lakhs 60,510. So here, less than 1000. Less than 1000. That means subtract. From 7 lakhs 512 you subtract 1000. So you get 215. Here from 9, 0 minus 1, that is you take carry. So 9, 6. From 700 you subtract 1, you get 699. So 6 lakhs 99,512. 6 lakhs 99,512. Here you directly subtract 1000. So you get 8 lakh 10,603. If you have doubt, I will subtract here 8 lakh 11,603. In this you subtract 1000. So 3, 0, 6, 10, 8. So 8 lakh 10,603. When you come to here, it is 3 lakhs 59,510. 60 minus 1, 59. Okay, you have to do you have to go in that level. Then only it is very easy. Just when you sit quietly or there is no work, just you do some subtraction problems or addition, adding the numbers in your, as where you are sitting at the time only, you just by heart the numbers, adding the numbers, subtracting the numbers, multiplying the numbers, dividing the numbers. Okay, then you get the numbers easily in your mind. So 60 minus 1, 59. That's all, 60,000. In that you have to subtract 1000. So you get 59,000. That is 3 lakhs 59,510. If you have doubt, I will do that also. So 1000 subtraction. So 3 lakhs 59,510. I hope you understand this one. Okay. Now, seventh problem. Write the place value of the underlined digit. The first one, 1,02,346. There they underlined 0. In the second problem, 3,29,504. Seventh, 1,29,857. Here they have written 7 as the underlined the 7. Here what is the place value? Here the place is unit, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. But the here 0 is there, so the place value is 0. The place value is 0, but it is in the place 10,000. It is in the place 10,000, but the place value is 0. But the place value is 0. When you come to here, place is 10,000, but value is 0. Because here it is 0, so here it is 0. Here the place is 1000. So place value is 9,000. When you come to here, the place is unit place. Place is unit or ones. So the place value is 7. The place value is 7. I hope you understand very well. Okay. Now in the next classes, we will go for the other in brief, I think you are learning the tables also. Just you go through the tables very well. Up to 21 you have to learn very well. Okay, it is very, very important for the 5th standard. If you don't know the tables, it is very difficult to do the problems. So addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the basic things you have to learn in the maths. So they are called as the basic things. So practice well addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So it is very, very useful to you. So for this I am ending the class. Okay, please subscribe our channel. Please like and share and subscribe our channel. Okay, thank you.